What if I told you that by simply heading over to your YouTube search bar and copying this one thing that I'm about to share with you right now, your channel is going to blow up. Whether you are a small content creator or you are new here and you're battling with low views, you're struggling to get that visibility on your channel, then try your best to make sure you pay attention, because nowadays on YouTube it's not always by what you have to offer, it's by how to do it in a smart way, and that smart way is what I'm going to be exposing to you. So this video is going to be more of practical, because I'm going to be showing you every single thing and how to achieve it directly from my phone. And with that much being said, let's get started. So what I'm going to be showing us right now is how to copy smartly. That is how to be able to understand what is working out in your niche, and it's going to be practical. I have done this for motivational channel and the result I got was mind-blowing. I've also done it on finance, even cooking niche, and down to my two channels. These are one of these secret ingredients that has helped my channel to blow up till today. So it can definitely work out for any niche. Okay, so for today's tutorial we are going to be dealing with the finance niche, which is how to make money kind of niche. Now you have to try your best to pay attention and follow up with everything that I'm going to be sharing with us. Okay, so what we need right now, see, as a YouTuber, you have to get close to like 5 to 6 people you watch that are in your niche, that are doing the same thing that you are doing. You don't really need to always go for the channels with 10 million subscribers or even 5 million subscribers. You can still pick out some channels that are with like 10,000 subscribers, 20k subscribers in your niche, that are also doing well. Now after gathering them, this is what you need to do. Please pay attention. First of all, we are going to be looking at this particular lady's channel. Her name is Nisha. I believe that most of us doing how to make money niche, you should be familiar with her. Then another channel that I want you to look out to is this particular channel that has the name Rosie Amponsa. So another channel also again that I will want us to look at is this particular channel that says Rashida Herbers. These are channels on how to make money niche. Then another channel again is this OBA channel, and lastly Jennifer, financial Jennifer. Okay, so these are close to 4 to 5 people on this particular niche. Now let's quickly head over to my YouTube app. Then let's quickly search out for the channel Nisha. Nisha is very, very popular. Now, this is Nisha's channel. Nisha have 1.7 million subscribers. Okay. Now, quickly click on the popular section of Nisha's channel. Now, these are Nisha popular videos. 9 habits keeping you poor. Then this second one says accountant explains 9 things I stopped buying to make more money. So we are going to be working with this first one that says 9 things I stopped buying to make more money. Now, when you click on it, you know this particular video has close to 2.7 million, and she did it 2 years ago. She still did it again last year. Now let's quickly scroll. You can see this particular channel that I showed you before, OBA. OBA also did this video and she got 37k views. So for us to be able to get much more facts, we are going to go over to YouTube search bar to type that same title, 9 things. Okay, 9 things I stopped buying to make more money. Now when you click on it, you will start see Nisha is the first channel. The second channel is this OBA that I just talked to us about. Now let's still scroll again. You can still see another channel. She also did her video 7 months ago, though her video did not really go all that viral, but at least 28k views. Now let's just scroll again. Another same person still got 472 views. Now let's just scroll again. Another same channel. This is Chidera Peters. So what I just showed us right now, let me quickly briefly explain before we go into the next one. Now these channels that I just listed, if you go over and check through their popular videos, or maybe not really the popular videos, you will see some videos in common, and most of them are getting inspiration from channels like Nisha channel. Nisha is doing so well on YouTube, and she didn't just start this thing today. That is why most of the time when I tell us that try to pay attention to what is trending in your niche, a lot of us might not really understand it, because if you go over to Google now and type what is trending in finance niche, you might not get answer. Or you go over to YouTube search bar to type it, you might not still get answer. So this is how to understand what is trending in your niche. You can see that I typed this particular title, and over how many channels did it, exactly the same title, exactly the same, almost the same thumbnail, and even from the main video context they are almost the same. So this is what I mean by working smartly, being able to understand what is trending at a particular time and applying it. There was something that this financial Jennifer said in one of her videos that actually got to me so well, and I was like, so other niche also do this particular thing. She said this is not the first time she's starting a YouTube channel. She created a YouTube channel before and it didn't do well, but the minute she created another one, took her time and watched people in her niche and trying to recreate the videos that are doing so well, that was how she was able to get the visibility she has currently. And in less than 6 to 7 months, she has hit her 100,000 subscribers. There is no magic. It's not like maybe she promoted the video. It's working smartly. Okay, now another example again also is, let's quickly go through this particular channel with the name OBA. So through her popular videos, you can see this particular video here that says 6 accounts that will make you rich. I wish I knew this sooner. As at the time when she made this video, I noticed that a lot of people in her niche was doing the same thing. Now let's quickly click on the video, and from down here you can be able to see channels that also recreated it. Now this is the channel that I talked to us about, which is Financial Jennifer. You can see it, she still repeated the same kind of videos, but twisted her thumbnail almost the same way. Now you still scroll down, this is another channel which is Nisha. If you still scroll again, you will still see it again. 6 accounts that will make you rich. I wish I know this sooner. And this is from Rosie. Now, if you still scroll again, you will still see it. 5 places to invest 500K in Nigeria to get 20% plus return 2025. She just dropped her own 13 days ago, and look at the visibility. That is how, if you keep scrolling, you will see a lot of other channels like that. So sometimes always take your time to study what is working out in your niche. It's really going to help you. See, you don't always have to wait till you see something maybe trendy that people are doing for you to be able to even know what is actually trending. Is being able to get all these channels down. Once you get them down, from time to time, try your best to always go and check their videos. Check their videos that actually brought them to limelight. That is videos that gave them high visibility. Another example is motivational niche. Motivational niche, if you pick out some of all these top channels, with channels that, there are some channels that I saw with about 16,000 subscribers, but they have like 1 million views on their channel. There was one particular channel like that that I was reviewing with one of my students one time. That channel dropped that video, and when we watched that video, we discovered that starting from the thumbnail down to the title and almost every single thing said in the video was exactly the same thing with the best performing video. I don't know if you get what I'm trying to explain. So being able to understand what is working out in your niche and copying it is really going to help you. It's just like my first ever most viral video, which is this particular video here. This video, as at that time, the topic was flying up here, left, right, and center. And I saw a particular small channel as of then in my niche. She did this same video, and as at that time, she got about was it 20,000 views in 5 days. That was what motivated me. I was like, for this channel to be able to pull this amount of view, and we are both doing the same thing, my audience is obviously her kind of audience. That simply means that that video is also going to do well on my channel. And by me simply recreating it using her exact title and her kind of thumbnail, was what brought me my first ever viral video. And same thing goes to my second, my third, and my fourth viral videos. Now, you have to understand that there are some times that you will do it and it will not work, which is, yes, I have actually tried them and they didn't work sometimes, but most of the times they work. Because currently, it's not just only by uploading videos, giving it the best editing. If you are not bringing out what people are interested in, what people want to watch, or doing it in a smart way, you might spend 1 year, 2 years here on YouTube and you will not get the visibility. If you can be able to understand this thing that I just discussed with us in this video, you're definitely going to start pulling out those viral videos, believe me. Okay, another example again is if you are a type that is into this cooking niche, still try your best to get up to like 6 to 7 um channels, subscribe to them, watch them very well from time to time, try to recreate, copy their viral videos. That is the idea. You don't have to reciprocate whatever the person did in the video. No, what you just need to copy correctly is the thumbnail and the title. That is all what you can copy. And by copying the thumbnail, I do not mean that you should use the exact same person thumbnail. There is a way that you can re-edit it to your own version and it will still be looking alike. So I have tested this thing in so many channels and I saw a lot of results. So now the ball is in your court, or how do they say it? Just try your best to make sure you start applying these things. In fact, take this new month as a challenge and apply it on your channel. You're definitely going to come back with a testimony that this thing actually works, because it works. And yes, this is going to be bringing us to the end of this video. If you are able to apply this strategy, it's blowing up a lot of new channels. It is blowing them up like back to back. So if you're able to start applying it, doing it step by step, you are definitely going to get amazing results on your channel. You're going to get either your first ever viral video or your channel is going to blow up. Okay, so if you're able to watch to this extent and you've not yet liked my video, please do well to like this video, drop me your comments on the comment section, and lastly, do not forget to share this video so that it can get to a lot of other creators out there. And as always, I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.